Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope you are safe and sound. Do you know what is today, June 5th? It is a special day. Today is the World Environment Day. World Environment Day is observed on June 5th every year to remind people about the importance of nature. So friends, let us know about some interesting facts about the World Environment Day. First held in 1974 by the United Nations, it has grown into a biggest awareness campaign for protection of environment. This year, the United Nations is launching United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, which is a 10-year plan that will make the authorities think on the path of stopping the degradation of the ecosystem. Every year, the day is celebrated with a different theme and the aims to work towards a sustainable development model. India hosted the World Environment Day of 2011 with theme Forests, Nature at Your Service. This year, Environment Day will be hosted by Pakistan with theme Reimage, Recreate and Restore. Why is it gaining momentum in the present scenario? Our Mother Earth is currently facing a lot of environmental concerns. The environmental problems like global warming, acid rains, air pollution, urban sprawl, waste disposal, ozone layer depletion, water pollution, climate change, and many more affect every human, animal, and nation on this planet. Over the last few decades, mankind has been exploiting our planet and the degradation of our environment has gone up at an alarming rate. As our actions have not been in favor of protecting planet, we have seen natural disasters striking us more often in the form of flash floods, earthquake, snowstorms, tsunamis, cyclones, and the most recent one is the corona pandemic. It is important that we must take steps to safeguard our environment, and this day is celebrated across the world to inform people that nature should not be taken for granted and must be respected for its values. Let us know more about this year's theme: Reimage, Recreate and Restore. This initiative is for preventive, halting and reversing the degradation of ecosystem worldwide. Ecosystems requiring urgent restoration includes farmlands, forests, grasslands, and savannas, mountains, peatlands, urban areas, freshwaters, and oceans. Some interesting restoration examples which can inspire us to take one step further to start similar initiatives in your location. Aravali Biodiversity Park near New Delhi was earlier a mining pit which had been transformed into a biodiversity park, which is the new home to 209 bird species, 19 species of mammals, 113 species of butterflies and moths, and 981 species of plants. Seeding 100 million trees to restore Borneo's rainforests by recruiting new farmers each year to participate in the restoration of degraded forests by planting fast-growing tree species, and cash crops. Friends, I hope you understood about the various ways of restoration of ecosystem by these examples. Let us also think and initiate some concrete steps, whatever smaller it might be. We grow trees, green our cities, rewild our gardens, change our diets, clean up rivers and coasts. Let us do our bit to make the world a cleaner and greener place and give our coming generations a healthier and happier environment to have a beautiful life.